Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics. Confirm your Epic account email and Epic ID match what you expect, and check recent sign-ins to spot odd activity. Once done, gather purchase history, device names, and the console or PC model. Epic support asks for specifics to validate ownership. Make sure to have a photo of your ID ready if you used purchases tied to identity. This speeds reactivation, because support can cross-check quickly and approve access instead of flagging the account inactive. Now move into verification. Enable two-factor authentication if possible on any accessible linked account, record recovery codes. Then open an Epic support ticket titled plainly, Account Inactive Reactivation Request. Describe when you first noticed inactivity, list devices, and include transaction references. Attach screenshots of errors, a photo of your government ID, and any purchase receipts to prove ownership. Once sent, monitor your email and reply promptly to any support follow-ups. Quick replies finish by following support instructions step by step. They often require account resets or unlinking suspicious devices, so comply and wait 24 to 72 hours for processing. If reactivation is denied, request escalation and upload any missing documentation immediately. Explain discrepancies calmly and include transaction timestamps. Make sure linked platform accounts like PSN, Xbox, or Steam are in good standing and not suspended, because that can block reactivation. If problems persist, ask for case number and daily status updates to keep things moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.